Hi, Chef Dan here to take you through the February provisions box, Rustic Italian Reverie, and walk you through a couple of recipes that we paired along with it. This month, we're inspired by the soulful, time-worn kitchens of Italy, refined by the terroir and the spirit of Priest Ranch. Simple ingredients, bold flavors, and the kind of meals meant to be shared slowly, with good wine and even better company. Inside your box, you'll find everything you need to create 3 Italian-inspired dishes. Fishwife anchovies, rusticella di Abruzzo spaghetti noodles, mantova caperberries, chopped Calabrian chili peppers, Castelvetrano olives, bianco di Napoli and tomato paste, and a handheld fine cheese grater. We'll start with spaghetti puttanesca, a dish rooted in bold, unapologetic flavor. Bring a pot of salted water to boil and cook your spaghetti until al dente. Melt anchovies gently into olive oil to create depth and umami. Add olives, caperberries, Calabrian chili paste, and tomato paste, letting everything meld together. Finish by tossing the pasta with sauce and pasta water and grate fresh cheese on top. Pair this with Priest Ranch Peacemaker. Its structure and dark fruit stand up beautifully to the salt and spice. Next up, shrimp scampi. Bright, buttery, and elegant. Sauté seasoned shrimp in olive oil until just opaque. Add garlic, Calabrian chili paste, white wine, and reduce. Finish with butter, lemon, and some fresh herbs. Pair with Priest Ranch Grenache Blanc, crisp, aromatic, and refreshing. And to balance it all, a mixed chicory salad. Whisk vinegar, buttermilk, honey, salt, and pepper, and slowly add olive oil. Toss greens and citrus with the dressing, season to taste, and finish with grated cheese and toasted pumpkin seeds. This is what Rustic Italian Reverie is all about. Honest ingredients, great food, and great recipes. From all of us at Priest Ranch, cheers to living life deliciously.